shall we, Sal?
Do it again, Aaron.
No! No!
Oh, oh, that was right in my mouth. Her tongue. This is my tongue. This is her tongue. It went right in my mouth and I slid underneath my tongue.
Do that again with him.
Just doing it against something. You hurt somebody.